Hey, welcome back to Crawford. We're so happy you're here with us, and this year's a little different. We are all starting the school year learning remotely. And remote means we are learning outside of the classroom. We're learning at home. So in this presentation, we are going to talk about expectations for remote learning. Let's take a look at our first expectation. Students, please make sure that you make a learning space for you at your house. Some of us may be able to have a learning space at our table where we have quiet learning time, and some of us may choose to use our bedroom or our bed spaces, or we might have like a little desk or office room. No matter what or where your space is, please be sure that it is a learning space. You're thinking about a place where you can learn best, where it's most quiet, with less distractions, and you can focus. Let's take a look at our second one. Please be respectful and school appropriate at all times. Yes, we are not at school. We are learning at home, but it is still very important to have respect for each other and yourself, and to be sure that we are being school appropriate. So thinking in our mind while we are learning with each other, what is appropriate for the classroom? What behaviors should you be doing at school and mirror those same behaviors at home? Another expectation is for you to be accountable. Accountable, am I doing my work? Am I completing it on time? Do I have a plan or an action for how I can get things done? If I get to a point to where I feel overwhelmed or maybe confused, do I have people I can ask for help? So definitely seek your teacher, seek out your parents, seek out each other, get a plan in place for support. Next, I want you to make sure we're being mindful. And we are going to practice this more in the classroom as we learn, but being mindful of ourselves and of others. So we're thinking, how am I feeling right now while you are learning and completing your work? Whether it is live with me or your teacher or another teacher, or whether you are completing your work on your own. How am I feeling? Am I doing okay? Do I need a break? Am I struggling, or do I need support? So these are definitely questions I'm challenging you to ask yourself. Also, while we are working with others and participating in discussions and doing live videos, am I being careful with my words and actions? How are others feeling? So am I thinking about their feelings and thinking about what I am saying and doing? All right. Definitely be here, guys. We need you to be here, be ready, be punctual, do the best you can. We know you are learning from home, so there is a lot of challenges there. We have families, we have other children, other siblings. We have a lot going on, so just, do the best you can to be here, be ready, be punctual. So when I'm ready to learn, I'm thinking, my brain is on, my eyes are on the speaker, my ears are ready, my body is calm, my hands are safe, feet are on the floor. So these are all behaviors that we might see in the classroom. When you're at home, we don't necessarily see these. So you're thinking about these as you get ready to learn and practice that careful, respectful, accountable piece. Finally, we're thinking about those habits of discussions, using your agree symbols. Do I agree? Please don't interrupt each other. Be a friend even if you disagree. So just like we do in the classroom, you're thinking, even if I disagree with what somebody says, I I'm going to be kind and respectful. There are definitely sentence frames we're going to practice around agreeing and disagreeing, making sure our eyes are on the speaker, and practicing that active listening. Making sure, am I listening to each other, to other classmates? Am I paying attention? What is it that I need to get, so back to that other piece, do I need support? So those habits of discussion, guys, are really, really important, and we're going to continue to practice those even working at home. So let's get started with our learning. Alrighty, are we ready? Are you ready to learn? Remember, if there's any questions or anything you need, any support, you can always reach out. Super excited, and welcome to 2021 school year at Crawford Elementary.